How to buy Bitcoin on Cash App with debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Cash App with debit card. So first of all, just open your Cash App account, and after that just click on the profile icon at the top right, and here just scroll down and click on linked banks, and after that just click on link debit card. And now you have to enter the details of your card, like your debit card number, your CVC number and your zip code, and just click on link card. And once your card is linked to your Cash App account, all you have to do is just transfer the money from your debit card to your Cash App account. And once the money is successfully transferred to your Cash App account, all you have to do is just click on this USD icon at the home screen in the middle, and after that just click on Bitcoin, and after that just click on buy Bitcoin. And all you have to do is just select the amount you want to buy the Bitcoin for, and just click on next. And once you enter the details, your Cash App account amount will be deducted from your account. Your Cash App amount will be deducted from your account to buy the Bitcoin that you have purchased. So this is how you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Cash App with debit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.